Shares of Citigroup are down 25% this year. Options traders, they're looking for upside ahead. I mean, who isn't? Maybe someday.
Been looking for
what does the options market know that we don't?
Well, hopefully they were listening to Kovacevic earlier in the day talking about these financials, Scott, and the fact that obviously they have not participated at all in 2018. But maybe that time has come for them to maybe start to turn and burn to the upside. The February 60 calls today very aggressively bought. Now, the stock was essentially right in the range where it is right now, but they bought a nice number. When I originally sent this over, it was about 20,000. It's approaching 25,000 calls. They traded for about $1.25, something like that. So that's something pretty interesting. It's part of a spread, so they're hedging themselves off to the upside. They don't expect it to explode, but looking for some upside over the next 2 months. I bought along those calls. I already own that stock. I'll be holding those calls probably 2 months, hopefully less. Hopefully we see a move faster than that. I got a second one for you as well. Yeah, well, the way these financials have been trading, you're right. It's going to have to take a lot of luck. But take a look at this name. Now, this name, Newmont Gold, you've seen a nice move lately from these lows. Continues to go a little bit higher and a little bit higher. They're rolling out of a winning trade and into another trade and trying to stay in it. These February 36 calls, they're coming from the December 34 calls. They rolled up to these 36 calls. You can see, matter of fact, when I sent this one over, about 3,700. Now it looks like we're approaching 5,000, maybe 6,000 of these calls. I bought these as well. I think maybe it's time. We haven't talked about gold in a very long time. And if you look at the XME, how they've rebalanced things, gold is a big part of that. So that might push these up as well. Keep an eye on Newmont. It's had a nice run. We'll see where it goes from here. I bought those calls. I'll be in it for a couple of months.